Imagine browsing the internet and leaving behind no trace. No one knows who you are, where you're from, or what you're doing online. Not your internet provider, not hackers, not even government agencies like the CIA or the FBI. That's the power of the Tor browser. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to install it on Kali Linux using just a few commands. But before we go further, here's the truth. Tor was created for privacy and freedom, not crime. This video is for educational purposes only. We teach ethical hacking and cybersecurity awareness, never illegal activity. So what makes Tor so powerful? Tor stands for the onion router, and it's called that because your internet traffic is wrapped in multiple layers of encryption. Each layer passes through a different server somewhere in the world, maybe one in Germany, another in Japan, then another in Canada before finally reaching your destination. This constant bouncing makes your online identity almost impossible to trace. To anyone trying to track you, your real IP address is hidden. Instead, they'll see random locations scattered across the globe. That's why Tor has been called the ultimate tool for anonymity. It's used by hackers, journalists, activists, and yes, even intelligence agencies themselves, because sometimes even they need to stay hidden. Now let me show you how to install it. First, update and upgrade your Kali Linux system so it's ready. Type sudo apt update and press enter to update your system. Now to upgrade your system, type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. Now that your system is up to date, we can go ahead and install our Tor browser. To install the Tor browser, type sudo apt install Tor browser launcher and press enter. The launcher will download the latest version of Tor browser and set everything up for you. After installation, type Tor browser launcher to launch the Tor browser. Wait for it to be launched. This will take a couple of minutes, so in the meantime you can go grab a cup of coffee. Once it has been successfully launched, click on Connect. This initiates a process to establish a secure and anonymous connection to the internet. I'm going to head to Tordex. Tordex is basically a search engine for the dark web. Just like you use Google to search the normal web, people use Tordex to search hidden.onion sites. It lets you discover dark web forums, blogs, and marketplaces. Find links without digging through shady forums. Navigate the dark web more easily when you don't know where to start. With Tor browser, you now have one of the most powerful tools for privacy and security in your hands. When used responsibly, it can protect you from surveillance, tracking, and cyber threats. But remember, knowledge is power, and how you use it is what matters. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe to Hack Tales for more deep dives into hacking, cybercrime, and cybersecurity explained. And here's a question for you. Do you want me to make the next video about how hackers actually use Tor to explore the dark web? Comment below.